So hello guys, welcome back to Blackbird YouTube channel. So let's start. Imagine discovering a server that looks incompletely normal, a clean admin dashboard, or no login page, no SQL injection, no hidden directory, but one tiny version number turns the entire machine into the root cell. Today, we are solve one of the most realistic lesson in offensive security because this room is based on real world incident that shocked the PHP development community. This is does not another CTF. This is what happened when attacker compromise software before it even reaches production. Welcome to Agent T TryHackMe Lab, and trust me, the vulnerability we are about to exploit gave attackers remote control execution simply by sending a HTTP request. No authentication, no credential, no user integration, just one request and complete server compromisation. So we will start the lab and connect the OpenVPN to ready for attacker machine. Until we get the target IP address, we read this. Agent T uncovered this site, which looked innocent enough, but sometimes something seemed off about. Now the server respond after deploying the vulnerable machine attached to this task. Please wait a couple of minutes for it to respond. Okay, we will first of all we will do reconnaissance, and after getting the target IP address, I will run Nmap on this IP address. And we have to find only one flag. Okay, we get the target copy and target IP address, copy it, and run the Nmap on this -sv -sc and IP address. We know that -sv for detection version and -sc for default script running on the IP. It can take some time. Okay, we get the one port is open, which is 80 port, and admin dashboard has in this port. And now most beginner immediately start googling exploit, but advanced attacker ask why this version exposed, why this version is exposing, this is credential. Now because version disclosed itself its information leakage, the server is literally telling us I am running PHP 8.1.0/dev. That's dangerous. Version disclosure shorten the attacker's reconnaissance phase dramatically. If you saw only one port open, would you continue enumerate, or would you assume the machine is secure? Most people stop here. Real attackers don't, because one vulnerable service is all it takes. Now open the browser and paste this IP address. Paste this IP address on the web browser to get what is in this. Okay, this is admin dashboard. Look legitimate, look professional, look boring, and that's exactly the trap. Most beginner waste time running Ghoster, Fuff, research, Nikto, but nothing valuable appear. Important teaching is this room teaches something many people never learn. Enumeration is not about running more tools. Enumeration about recognizing important information. The most valuable clue was already given, PHP 8.1.0, which is this. And now this is where room becomes extremely interesting. PHP's Git repository was actually compromised. Attackers inserted malicious code into PHP's source code. Think about it, that not a vulnerable plugin, not a big password. The source code itself, this is called supply chain attack. A supply chain attack occurs when attackers compromise software before user install it. Example include SolarWind, 3CX, Cove, and PHP Git compromise. Instead of attacking thousands of servers individually, attackers attack the software the everybody trusts. One compromise, millions of victims. That is the power of supply chain attack. Now we will find that we will check this version as exploitable or vulnerable or not. So we will use the search exploit to check PHP dev and run. So here is PHP 8.1 remote code execution, and immediately we discover something terrifying. PHP 8.1.0/-dev contain a backdoor allowing remote code execution through specifically crafted HTTP headers with User-Agentt. This means attackers send the HTTP request and server execute the command. No login password, no user account, direct command execution. So if ask yourself, if a server execute anything we send, what user do you think the commands run as? A low privilege user, www-data, Apache, or something worse? Keep your waiting. Okay, first of all we have to find this exploit and we have to find this exploit and database, which is I will get an exploit db. As you can see, PHP 8.1.0/dev is User-Agentt remote code execution. So we will copy it and paste it in exploit.py. Okay, we will remove everything. Now we paste it and can save it. Now we have to run python 3 exploit.py and IP address of target machine. Copy and paste here and enter the full host URL. He is asking for full host URL. We will copy it and paste it in here also, and boom, we can get access. Now first of all we run who am I as root, and that is where most people have the wrong reaction. They celebrate. I panic because root access from web request means total system compromise, file access, credential theft, persistence, and lateral movement. Everything. We did not gain a foothold, we gained ownership. Several public write-ups confirm immediately root level access after exploiting the vulnerable PHP version. So let's slow down. Why did we get root normally? So web server and then www data and then privilege escalation and then go to the root. It's a normally we can, and but in this room send the web request with backdoor, and it is giving the root permission. No privilege escalation needed. The machine is intentionally designed to demonstrate the severity of remote code execution. This is why RCE vulnerability are considered among the most critical finding in the penetration testing, because exploitation often leads directly to the complete compromisation. Okay, we will check with id command. This is, and we will check also host name. Host name is this, as you can see. Now we will retrieve all txt file. So find the all txt file. We will try find command, find slash hyphen name and column star dot txt colon 2 slash dev and null. It will extract all txt file. We get these are txt file, and here are multiple txt file, but we have to read the flag.txt. We will use the command cat and slash flag.txt, and boom, we can read this flag and copy it and paste in the user field, flag field, and we had complete this one. Okay, so real world lesson is the room teaches 5 huge concepts. Lesson 1, version disclosure matter. Lesson 2, allow research service version. And lesson 3, supply chain attacks are terrifying. Attackers don't always attack you. Sometimes they attack your software vendor. Number 4, lesson 4, one vulnerable service is enough. You don't need 20 ports open. You need one mistake. Lesson 5, enumeration beat guessing. The answer was visual from the first Nmap scan. So today we did not crack the password, we did not brute force login, we did not bypass authentication. We simply paid attention to version number, and that version number lead to directly to the root. And that's the what separate professional penetration tester from tool user. Tools collect information, hackers understand information. If this time taught you one thing, let it be this: never ignore a version number, because sometimes a single version string is the entire attack path. We have covered Nmap, PHP, remote code execution, supply chain attack, and TryHackMe. So thank you for please like and subscribe for more videos, and I had complete this. Thank you.